The citation feature in Word 2008 has made it very easy to create a Works Cited page. Your first step is to create a database of the reference sources. To begin with, you click on the toolbox on the standard toolbar. Then the formatting palette is displayed. Select the citation from the top row of the formatting palette. Next, choose the type of citation style you want. There's several to choose from, and we use the MLA citation style here at Rolling Meadows High School. Now, to create a new reference source, click the plus sign in the lower left corner of the dialog box. From here, you enter the data for your citation sources, and you have several different types of sources with which to work. For our example here, we will work with the book type source. And here I've gone ahead and completed one for you so you have an idea of what the completed dialog box looks like. Many references can be stored in your reference database. Now what we need to do is explain of the references in our database which ones we would like to include in the Works Cited page. To do that, you click in the lower right-hand corner of the citation dialog box and click on Citation Source Manager. In the Source Manager dialog box, you will now say from the master list of all your references which ones you would like to move to the current list. The references in your current list are the references that will appear in the Works Cited page. So we are going to say we need to take this third book and copy it. We need that in our Works Cited page. Same with this next book and this next one. So these are the three items that we want to have appear in our Works Cited page. You are now ready to create your Works Cited page. Your Works Cited page will contain these three references that are listed in the citation dialog box. Remember, these are the references you selected from your reference database. Now at first, this dialog box can be misleading. See where it says double-click to insert into document? That's not talking about making the Works Cited page. That's referring to adding a reference to a quote. See a quote here? If I go ahead, place my cursor at the end of this quote, and double-click in the citation dialog box, it references this quote, but it did not make the Works Cited page. So now, on to the instructions for making Works Cited page. First, I'm going to click or place my cursor where I'd like the Works Cited page to appear. Then I'm going to click on Document Elements. From there, I'm going to click on Bibliography, and then Works Cited or Bibliography will be displayed. Since we want a Works Cited page, I'm going to click on that, and voila, it puts into my document a Works Cited reference and lists the three references from my reference database. Okay, now to actually format this Works Cited page. First, I'm going to click in front of the text Works Cited. Then take my mouse and go up to the menu bar and choose Insert, Break, Page Break. Notice now my Works Cited, I don't need this anymore, my Works Cited information is on a separate page. To format it, proper MLA formatting requires a hanging indent. So I'm going to highlight all three of my references. Then I'm going to go to the ruler. And these triangles here handle the left indent. So I'm going to move my mouse to the triangle that's pointing up. Notice when my mouse is right in the middle of that triangle pointing up, the prompt says hanging indent. When I have that prompt, I'm going to click my mouse, drag it to the half-inch mark. See now, I have hanging indents on my Works Cited. My final thing for formatting the Works Cited page is to double space. Again, I need to make sure my three references or all my references are selected. Then using the keyboard, I'm going to press Apple 2 and that will double space and conclude the formatting process for a Works Cited page. Enjoy!